If words like Bitcoin, blockchain, or Ethereum make your brain shut down, relax. You don't need a tech background. You don't need to be good with numbers. In the next minutes, I'm going to explain crypto so clearly that you'll finally understand what it is, why people care about it, and why some people make life-changing money while others lose everything. Let's start with the simplest idea. Right now, when you send money online, it doesn't go directly from you to another person. It goes through banks, payment processors, and institutions that sit in the middle. Those middlemen keep records, approve transactions, and decide what's allowed and what's not. Crypto removes the middleman. At its core, crypto is just digital money that can move directly between people without needing permission from a bank or government. Instead of trusting a company, crypto uses math and code to create trust. That's it. No magic, no mystery. The big difference is how that trust is created. This brings us to blockchain. Think of blockchain like a public notebook that records every transaction ever made. Now imagine that millions of people around the world all have an identical copy of that notebook. Every time a new transaction happens, everyone updates their copy. If someone tries to cheat and change a transaction, their version won't match everyone else's and it gets rejected. Because so many copies exist, no single person can secretly rewrite history. That shared, constantly updated record is the blockchain. There's no central owner, no single server to shut down, no easy way to fake it. And that's exactly why it matters. Bitcoin was the first real use of this idea. Bitcoin's goal is simple. Be digital gold. There will only ever be a limited amount of it. No one can print more, no government controls it. People value Bitcoin because it's scarce, difficult to manipulate, and independent of any single authority. After Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies asked a different question. What if money could do more than just move from one person to another? That's where other cryptocurrencies come in. Some are designed to run programs or automate agreements. Instead of just sending value, they let value interact with code. So the big picture is this. Bitcoin is mainly about storing value, while many other cryptocurrencies are about utility, what you can build and do with them. Now let's address the question everyone asks. Why does crypto have value at all? The honest answer is the same reason regular money has value, because people agree that it does. Crypto has value because it's scarce, because it's useful, and because millions of people trust the system behind it. The internet once sounded pointless too, until it changed everything. But belief alone doesn't make you money, and this is where things get risky. People make money in crypto in a few main ways. Some invest long-term, believing certain projects will grow over time. Others trade short-term, trying to profit from price movements. And some build businesses or tools inside the crypto ecosystem. People lose money by doing the opposite of what they should. They chase hype, they follow influencers blindly, and they buy things they don't understand. Crypto doesn't create greed, it reveals it. This leads to the biggest mistake beginners make. Most beginners start with the wrong question. They ask, how much money can I make? But the better question is, what problem does this actually solve? If you don't understand why something exists, price swings will destroy you emotionally. You'll panic when things drop and get greedy when things rise. Understanding gives you patience. Ignorance creates fear. So should you care about crypto at all? Crypto isn't guaranteed success. It's volatile, it's risky, and it's still evolving. But completely ignoring it is like ignoring the internet in its early days. You don't need to go all in. You don't need to become obsessed. You just need to understand it well enough to make informed decisions. Crypto isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about understanding a new financial system before it becomes unavoidable. Knowledge first, money later.